Good to see you. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share some of my time-saving tips in how you can create home-cooked meals every single day for your family and for your loved ones. And it can be as simple as I'm about to share with you because it is something that I've been practicing for the last 3 years, and it is a game changer when it comes to really providing a home-cooked meal every single day without it taking all day to cook or prepare. So here goes. Number one, leverage a protein source that can be delivered to your home. I love ButcherBox and eatnosetotale.org. I will put their links below. These companies I have been using for over 3 years, and I am very, very happy with the quality of the ingredients that I receive. So I highly like to promote them. I don't make anything out of that. I simply just love to support brands that are giving their customers the highest quality product available. So leverage those companies, and being able to customize how much protein I'm getting on a monthly basis really allows me to leave the guesswork out as it pertains to meals, because I have my hero protein for the month every single month. And so what's great about that is that on every weekly basis, I can start to pull the different protein choices that I want for the week. And it gives me just that ease of mind that I don't have to go to the store to purchase any protein source. So that is a win. Number two, your produce. You can also leverage a home delivery service that can send you fruits and vegetables. There's a ton of resources out there. I personally still love to be old school about it, so I still visit my health food store or farmer's market, and I try to get my veggies. For the most part, I try to just go once a week and just get for the week what I'm able to, that will support our family's needs. But if you don't have time to make it to the store, there are so many delivery services that can provide a source for you right to your door. So that's also another really time-saving tip. The less time you spend going to grocery stores, the more efficient you can be with actually spending that time to create your meals. Number three, keep it simple. I am telling you, I take at most 45 minutes to generate dinner from start to finish. It literally just depends on the protein and the cut and the thickness of the protein that requires a little bit more cook time. But other than that, the actual hands-on process is super, super efficient because I keep it simple. And I think that's when we get a little bit overwhelmed, is a lot of times we want to follow these elaborate recipes and we want to create variety in our life, which I do think is great, but you can get variety in a different way that doesn't require so much time. So for instance, I make sure that I have a lovely hero protein, whether that's a pork chop, steak, chicken, really just have this awesome, beautiful protein that when it's a high quality ingredient does not require a lot of seasoning, a lot of work. Keep it simple. And so I really want to just make sure that that's coming through, that it doesn't need to be this gourmet elaborate meal. You can easily use it in the oven, you can cook it on the grill, you can smoke it like I have a smoker, or you can do it on stovetop. Literally, it's very, very simple. When you use a high quality ingredient, all you really need is a good amount of salt, a good sear, and just enough cook time to make sure that the protein is cooked properly, and that's it, because it's that delicious on its own when you have high quality ingredients. Secondly, just to think of what to pair your protein with. It's a wonderful thing to just keep it simple. Oven roast some veggies is like the best way to eat vegetables, in my opinion. A little olive oil, a little salt, put it in the broiler, depending on the kind of veggies you have. Also, potatoes are great. We use a lot of sweet potatoes, and that's what we make sometimes as well as a side dish. And then a simple green salad goes a long way. For me, that is like one of my favorite go-tos, especially after having visited farmer's market and getting all these lovely different mixed greens. It's my favorite go-to. So again, keeping things very, very streamlined and simple is going to allow you to not have to stress over having a quality meal every single day. And again, this does not take a lot of time. So I'm going to come back to you with episode number 2 on this subject. And I'm going to talk to you about some of the cooking techniques that really don't require a whole lot of time and really keeps things basic. And this is coming from someone who probably in the last 3 to 4 years is when I started to just learn about the kitchen, how to use a knife, how to use the oven, how to do things from just your standard kitchen techniques. I'd had zero knowledge. So I know that if I can learn how to do this and really have a fresh cooked meal every single day for my kiddos, I know that you can do it. I have all the confidence in the world because once you start connecting with your food and start really nourishing your body with high quality ingredients, you are going to start to feel and see a difference. I promise you, because that's exactly what happened to me. If you have any questions or specific questions that you'd like me to address, I make these videos in real time, so I will happily address your questions as it pertains to cooking and making home cooked meals easy and simple every single day. As always, as your wellness advocate, I am here to support you, to inspire you, to empower you to take ownership of your health and wellness, to live awesome every single day, because it is our right to do so. So with that, I will leave you, and until next time, take care.